Hi guys and welcome to today's intraday trading analysis video for the day. Today I have traded on Techm. So I'll be showing you where I took the entry today and where I took the exit and everything. And also we'll be quickly doing the Nifty analysis and we'll see how the Nifty 50 has performed for the day and how the market has opened and a little bit of indexes analysis as well. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And also, if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And also the course prices are very reasonably priced. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. So guys, by being said that, now let me show you the today's trade what I have done according to my study and the strategy. And as you guys can see here, we have traded without any indicators. Okay, so today I have traded on Techm stock. So this is a stock which comes under Nifty IT. And according to my study and the strategy, this stock was a short sell once it goes below 1255 or 1256. Okay, so as I was observing this in the morning, around 9:41 somewhere is the trade when it got triggered. So it came below 1255 and have taken my short sell entry and I kept my target up to 5 points. And as you guys can see here, the stock has almost made a low of 1250 and my target has been achieved here. Okay, and later after that, the stock did take a good support, and of course 1250 was a good support for Techm. So it has taken a good support for the day, and from there it has recovered and it has gone like almost 10 points up. Okay, not much of an higher momentum on the bullish side. As I can see here, it has not gone above the morning high, if you guys can see. So it consolidated a little bit and then it has gone up, and also in between it has formed a big 15 minutes red candle, as you guys can see. So around this level, around 1260 levels, it again made it as a resistance and came down, and again at the end of the day it has gone above that, and it has tried to close above, but it couldn't sustain and it has closed at 1260.05 today. So overall, this is how the Techm has performed for the day, and this is how I have traded today without any indicators. Okay, and if you guys want to get the personal live market support from me and want to learn all this concept of stock selection and how to make a proper entry, you can join my course today, and in my course I'll be guiding you all these things. Okay, and now let's talk about the Nifty 50 momentum for the day. So as you guys can see, today Nifty 50 has performed both in a bearish and a bullish side as well. So firstly, the market came down today almost till 10:30 to 11 o'clock. The market was performing in a bearish way today, almost close to 1% down it was. And later it has taken a good support and the market has gone up, and yes, it has closed in a higher section for the day. So it has closed at 0.22% up for the day, around 22,104. And if you see here, this is how the pre-open market has opened for today, minus 0.12% down. Advanced stocks were 25, declensions were 15, and unchanged were 10 stocks. So opening was a bit of a bearish side, and you can see till 1 hour the market was bearish, and then it has taken a support and it has gone up for the day. And coming to the main indices, this is how the important indices has been performed for the day. So you can see Nifty Bank is up by 0.70% up. Nifty Auto is down by 1.68% down today. And you can see all the other indices are almost in a green section for the day, if you guys can see. And Nifty PSU Bank is again down by minus 1.23%, which is more declining percentage today. and Nifty oil and gas minus 0.75%, and Nifty consumer durables are minus 0.41%, and all the others were almost bullish for the day. You can see Nifty pharma being like 1.77% up, and Nifty healthcare again being 1.58% up. Yes, so these are the indices which were bullish for the day. Okay, so this is how the Nifty 50 and indices has been performed for the day, and this is the trade what I did today. So if you guys want to learn from me all these things about stock selection, making a proper trades in intraday trading, you can join us today, and I'll be guiding you my best to make you as a good trader. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.